po ako naimbitahan, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, magna cum laude, choreographer, makeup artist and event host, motivational speaker and a gender equality activist, CBN Tao po and Tony Talks, content creator, social media influencer, and a father, a friend of mine. Please welcome Mr. Denzel Matocado.
Lahat po ng sinabi niya ay totoo, maliban po dun sa isa, hindi po ako magna cum laude. Salamat for having me. And let's continue to be an inspiration. Sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression. So malawak po yung ating pagkatao. So sabi the world is magical. Na you can be you, and you can build a family regardless of your gender. Baka may tanong po kayo.
Ano po ang secret formula ng relationship niyo for it to last?
So there's no perfect relationship, there's no specific formula, but if you truly love the person, it will last forever. Ay, taray! Taray! Ayan, any questions?